Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Desk for You. Hi guys, in this video we are going to see some of the inspecting tools to find the web elements in web pages. First we are going to see using the Chrome Dev tool for inspecting the web element. Okay, for that launch the Chrome browser and launch the web page whatever you like to inspect the tools. I am launching the dummypoint.com. Here we are having the Selenium template for performing our all the examples. Okay, and place the cursor on the web page and then right click on it and click on inspect. See here, and the inspect section will be opened here, and click on this inspect symbol and focus your cursor on whatever element you like to inspect the web element, so that automatically the data will be populated in this element section itself. And from here we can able to copy the required locator by the name or ID or class name or anything in this section. Okay, if you require to copy the XPath for this, and after focusing your cursor on the required web element, just right click on the data populated in the element section and click on copy and click on copy XPath. You can copy the XPath and you can see whether it is copied or not here. See, the data is copied here, and we will see for one more thing. Right click and click on copy and click on copy XPath, and it got copied. And if you need to verify whether this copied XPath is correctly for that particular web element or not, just click on this element section and click on Command F in Mac and Control F in Windows, and then here you can see the find by strings or selector or XPath. It will be displayed. In that, just click the cursor and place the data, so that it will be populated to that respective web element. Click on it. See here in the left side you can see the element, it is focusing on the respective thing, and in the element section it is highlighted in the yellow, so that we can able to say the copied XPath and whatever we can able to search here as well. Okay, and here you can see 1 of 1, and here you can by using the CSS selector. See /user_input. After typing here itself, it is highlighting here, so that after clicking on that populated data, so that in the left side the cursor will be automatically focused to the respective web element. In this way we can able to find the required web element locators and everything. And this dock also you can able to change in the required location. Click on this 3 dots menu and click on this dock side, whether you required on left side or in bottom or whichever direction. If you require, you can able to keep this. This is the Chrome inspecting tool in the Chrome Dev tool in Chrome browser, and similarly in the Firefox also same thing. Launch the Firefox browser. This is a Firefox browser. You can see here symbol, and right click on the browser and click on inspect element, and here also the same thing. Click on this inspect and then you can able to focus there, and data will be populated here. And whatever we saw in the Chrome browser, same thing in the Firefox also. Previously there was a Firebug. Now in the Firefox also they kept element inspector. In this way we can able to find the element for the required web element on the web pages. For complete tutorial, please visit to the Udemy link which is given in below description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.